করে দিয়েছি স্যার।
Okay, that's great. So, good afternoon, student. So today we will discuss. In our last class, we had discussed about what is called transportation problem. So, hello.
Hello, sir. सुन रहे हैं sir?
Hello, student. Am I audible? So, can you listen me? If you can
Yes, sir.
listen me, then it's good. Okay. So, in our last class, we had discussed about the transportation problem. So, right now we will discuss. Right now we will discuss some problem related to transportation. Hello, student. Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Chinmoy. Hello. Hello, Chinmoy. Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Hello.
Sir, you are audible. You can continue.
Hello.
স্যার আপনাকে শুনতে পাচ্ছি, আপনি কন্টিনিউ করুন।
So in our last class, we had discussed about northwest corner method. So in this class, we will discuss about the least cost method. Okay. So what is the least cost method? So first of all, I'm discussing this with an example. Okay. So question number 1. Question number 1. Obtain the initial feasible solution of the following transportation problem. Now, what's the problem? So this is D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D1, D2, D3, D4. D1, D2, D3, D1. That 4, 0, 2, 3, 2, 6. Next 3, 2, 2, 8. 4, 0, 1, 1, 6, 6, 8, 10, 24. So first of all, we will observe whether it's a balanced problem or unbalanced problem. So the solution. Since summation AI equal to summation Bj equal to 24. So there exists a feasible solution to the transportation problem. So this is our first observations. What is? So 6 plus 8 plus 10 is equals to 20. 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6 is equals to 20. So this is a balanced transportation problem. So what is the name of our method? This is the least cost method. Okay. So first of all, what we will do, so we will search where the allocation is least. Okay. And first allocation is made. What is the allocation first? First we will search where the allocation is, least cost method. So using the step of the least cost method, the first allocation is made at cell 3-1. Why? Look at this 140. So definitely you will choose this. What is the supply? Supply is 10. And what is the demand? Demand is 4. So definitely we will go for that. Okay. So we will choose 4. Okay. So definitely this will become 6. And this becomes 0. Okay. Next, look at this column 2, 3, 2. Which is the least? Definitely 2. So there exists a tie 2, and here is another 2. So in that case, if there exists a tie, so we can choose arbitrarily any one. So definitely I am choosing this. You may choose this. Nothing wrong with it. So this became 0 and This becomes 0. Okay. Next, we will go for 2, 2, 3, which is minimum. 2 is minimum. Now we will look for supply. What is the supply? Supply is 6. What is the demand? Demand is. Suppose there exists a thing this way. There is a shop S1 and here is a shop S2. Price is same, say rupees 2 rupees, and here is same 2 rupees. But your requirement is 8 piece. Here. And here, this in this shop you are getting 8 piece, and in this shop you are getting 6 piece. So definitely you will choose this shop because you are getting all the product in the same shop. Okay. So definitely we will do the same thing. So this I will allocate 8. So this becomes 0 and this becomes. Now go for it. Now choose 1 and 4. Look, this is when there is a this becomes 0. So definitely all these columns, these are redundant, right? So they are minimum. So now choose 1 and 4, which is minimum. 1 is minimum. What is your requirement? Requirement is 6. Supply is 6. So definitely you will choose this. So this becomes 0 and this becomes 0. So if we summarize the whole fact, okay, so what you will get these types of result. So I'm making it as a grid view. One, two, three, four, 5. One, two, three, this is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is your D1, D2, this is D3, D4, supply. This is A1, A3, demand. This is 1, 4, this is 0, and this is 4. This is 2, this is 3, this is 2, and this is 6. This is 3, this is 2, this is 2, and this is 8. This is 4, 0, 4, and 6. So this is 6, 8, 10, 20. So this is our table, and what was our allocation? 4 was our allocation. So this is 4, So this becomes 0. Now this is 6. So this becomes 0 and this becomes 0. The allocation is 8. So this becomes 0. So this is 0. So this is 6 and this becomes 0 and this becomes. So the solution, so this is our in general last step of the problem. So the solution given by the solution given by, what is our first location? So this is x1 cell, x1, this is x11, x12. x12 is equals to 6. Next, x23, x23 is equals to 8. Next, x31 is equals to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and x34 is equals to 6. So the total number of occupied cell is equals to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Somehow I have missed any one of the steps. Yes. So the occupied cell is 5. So this is less or equals to m plus n minus 1. M is number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this is n plus n. So we get degenerated solution. Degenerated solution. The total cost equals to 6 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 4 into 0 plus 6 into 2 404. This is 1. Four into 0 plus 6 into 2. So this is equals to your 12 plus 4 plus 24. So this is our list cost method. Okay. Hello, Chinmoy. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Sir, you are audible, sir.
Hello,
Students, please
Chinmoy.
respond now.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, you are audible, sir.
Hello, Chinmoy. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You are clearly audible, sir.
Hello, Rohan Gupta.
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ চিন্ময় শুনতে পাচ্ছ তোমরা? হ্যাঁ হ্যালো চিন্ময় শুনতে পাচ্ছ? কিন্তু তুমি কথা বলো দেখি, আমি শুনতে পাচ্ছি না তো। স্টুডেন্টদের কথা তো আমি শুনতে পাচ্ছি না। দেখো দাঁড়াও দেখি একটু, দাঁড়াও আমি চ্যাট বক্সে দেখি তো সাউন্ডের কিছু সমস্যা হলো নাকি। আমার শুনতে পাচ্ছি না, বুঝলো তো? আমি তুমি যে কথা যদি বলো ওই স্পিকারে, তাহলে তো আমার শুনতে পাওয়া উচিত, পাচ্ছি না শুনতে। ওকে ওকে, দাঁড়াও দেখি, আমি তো শুনতে না পেলে বুঝতে পারবো না ছাত্ররা বুঝতে পারলো কিনা। হ্যালো।
Yes, sir.
হ্যালো স্টুডেন্ট, হ্যালো।
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Students, you please write in the chat box that you are listening, sir, finally. We just write in the chat box. Okay?
হ্যালো চিন্ময়, এবার
Yes,
শুনতে
sir.
পাচ্ছ?
Sir, শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
হ্যালো
Students, you please write in the chat box that you are hearing, sir.
হ্যালো হ্যালো।
I think sir having some audible issue.
Hello, Rohan Gupta, can you listen me? Hello, Achit Pradhan,
Yes,
can
sir.
you listen me?
Yes, sir.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Sir,
Hello.
শুনতে পাচ্ছি?
Hello. Hello.
শুনতে পাচ্ছেন?
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Hello, Achit Pradhan, can you listen me?
Yes, sir. Sir, we are listening.
You can you listen me?
Yes, sir.
Write in the
But I
chat
can't
box.
listen you.
Achut, please write in the
Okay,
chat
if
box
you
that
can
you are
listen me, that will solve many problems. Now tell me if you have any problem. So here I am discussing another problem. Determine the initial basic feasible solution for the following transportation problem using least cost method. D1, D2, D3, D4 supply. O1, O2, O3, Choi, start, chart, chart. 4, 9, 3, 10. 1, 2, 6, 15. 5, 7, 2, 4. 14, 16, 5. So solution. So So look at this row. What is the least cost? Least cost is 14. So allocate 14. Okay. So this, so we will omit this column because already this is fully exhausted. So what we will do? So let me go to okay. D1, D2, D3, D4 supply. D1, D2, D3, D4. So this is D1, D2, D3, D4 supply. Look, 14 was the supply, and we have already exhausted this body. So definitely we will omit this. So here it will be O2, O3, D1. So this is 8, 4, 6, 9, 3, 10, 2, 6, 1, 7, 2, 4, 16, and 5. So according to this has already reduced. Okay. Now look at this column. So which is the minimum? Your minimum is right now 2. So definitely, and what is your requirement? This is, so we will supply 1. So definitely it will become 0 and it will up. So this is 2. Okay. So right now this row is already exhausted. So it will become D1, O3, and D1. D1, D1, D2, D2, D3, D4. 4, 3, 6, 2, 5. So this is 6, 10. No, this is already exhausted. D3, we don't need D3 right. This is 2. This is 4. So this is 8. So 8, 4, 9, 3, 7, 2, 6, 10, 4. This is 15 and 5. Now look at this. 8, 4, 9, 2. What is the list? List is 4. So definitely we will supply 4. So this became 0 and this became 1. Okay. So right now this D3 is already exhausted. So our fifteen and 1. Now, which is minimum? Three is minimum. So I look at 1. So this is right now 9. So this is already exhausted. So what is our final take? Final take is D1 D2 supply. O2, this is 8, 9. So what is given? This is 6 and this is 9. So we are supplying 6. So this becomes 0 and we are supplying 9. So sorry, this is the chart. So this already became 0. So this is altogether our transportation problem. Okay, so the final solution of the transportation problem is make this way right now. So this is our table. Okay, so this is O1, O2, O3, D1, D2, D3, D4. So this is D1, this is D2, this is D3, this is D4, supply. This is O1, origin, O2, 3, demand. This is 6, this is 8, allocation was 4, this is 4, and this is 6. So this is 6, so it will be 6. So it will be 6. Next 4, 9. So here allocation will be 9. This is 3. So this allocation is 1, and the demand is 10. This is 1, 2, 6, 15. Here allocation is 14, and here allocation is 1. And this is 5, 7, 2, is 4. So this is 4. So this is 14. This is 16. Much of 16, and this is 5. So the total cost of the transportation problem, total cost is equals to 14 into 1, this one, plus 6 into 8, plus 9 into 9, plus 1 into 2, plus 1 into 3, plus 4 into 2, rupees 156. So this is the cost of the transportation. Hello, Chinmay, hello. So this is the end of the class. So in our next class, we will discuss Modi's approximation method, or you may call it the Vogel approximation method. Okay.
So students, can you hear him?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So write in the chat box. Write in the chat box, and that you are all hearing him.